What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra rumors. MediaTek chipset is not planned. This year, Samsung launched the noteworthy Galaxy S22 series smartphones with most of the latest and advanced features. On the other hand, the Galaxy S22 Ultra combines the unrivaled power of the Note series and legendary S Pen with the professional camera and performance of the S series, setting a new standard for premium smartphones. Meanwhile, people are already excited about the 2023 Samsung Galaxy S23 series, which will come with further improvements and new technologies. There have been rumors recently that Samsung is planning a MediaTek chipset for the Galaxy S23 series, but the informant claims that this is not true. Samsung has no plans to use the MediaTek Dimensity chipset in the future Galaxy S23 series smartphones. It will still use the Exynos or Snapdragon chipset depending on the region. Samsung plans to install a MediaTek hotspot on the Galaxy S22 Fan Edition FE and Galaxy S23, which will be released in the second half of 2022. About half of Galaxy S22 FE and Galaxy S23 smartphones sold in Asia are expected to use MediaTek technology. However, the form factor of the Galaxy S23 Ultra concept is very similar to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, including sharp corners and a display with curved edges. With a common display design language, Samsung will offer an even prettier Galaxy S plus Galaxy Note combo. More interestingly, the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is showing off with an under-display camera technology that's called UDC. UDC means under-display camera. Ultimately, this is suggested that Samsung is finally ready to bring the new technology to the smartphone market. According to the latest news data, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will receive a 200 megapixel main camera sensor. Recall, ISOCELL HP1 was introduced in September and is the world's first mobile camera sensor with a resolution of 200 megapixel. ISOCELL HP1 can record 8K video at 30 fps and 4K video at 120 fps. Well, these are just early Galaxy S23 leaks, and we have to wait a bit to come to any conclusion. This is Decided Tracker for leaks and rumors about the Samsung Galaxy S23, and we will be giving all the small and big details about smartphones here. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.